it's Briana Love. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are vlogging. If you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications. Yeah, so today we're vlogging. Today is August 16th and I'm trying to launch my business today at 12 p.m. is when everything launches. So yeah, this vlog is just gonna be about launch day basically. Right now I'm on my way to brunch. I'm going to get some shrimp and grits and mimosas because I've been craving some. So yeah, I'm on my way there now. So when I get there, I will talk to y'all then. All right. Y'all, also, I just want to say, excuse this bump on my face. It just appeared. I ain't gonna lie, I was real lazy when I took off my makeup. So that's probably what it was. But I got my lashes done. Do you guys like them? I got volume. I wanted them to be very full. So yeah, they're cute. I like them. Okay, yeah, for awesome. All right, y'all. I got my mimosa. I'm with my friend Drea. Yes, we didn't get our food yet, but
cheers to new beginnings for Briana.
Period. 1, 2, 3 or something like that. It's on
In the mall?
no, it's on Pensacola. I know I'm really terrible at vlogging because today is the 20th and from the title in the first clip of the video, I was at brunch on the 16th and that was the launch day of my business. So August 16th is when I officially opened my business. I have been working on it since before then, but yeah, I just chose the 16th because my birthday is November 16th and I wanted to do something on my birthday for my business, period. So yeah, so Pink Minx is the name of my business and this is a self-care brand. So for right now the website has all natural, vegan and cruelty-free body butters, and we also have lip glosses on the website right now. So more will be added on the website. So I have lashes coming. My lashes are really cute. I can't wait for y'all to see it, and I have more coming. So yeah, the link will be in my description box for y'all to shop. And I have a coupon code for my subscribers because y'all are amazing. So use the code YT for some cash off. Thank you cards I made. That's the front and this is the back. They are so cute, y'all. I know I said I was going to make a video to show y'all how to do it. Ooh. And these are my business cards. And that's the back. I know I told y'all a long time ago I was going to show you guys how to make business cards and thank you cards, and if y'all still want that video, let me know in the comments and I will do it for you. Show y'all some of the products I have. So I'm going to post on the screen the pictures of the body butters because my body butters are made to order. So as you order, that's when I make them. So physically right now I only have like a few. So yeah, so like I said, my brand is really like a self-care brand. So I really want to focus on the body butters and like body products. So all of my products are offered in 4-ounce jars and 8-ounce jars. Hold on, y'all. It's crazy because I just ordered these more 4-ounce jars, but these look big. Like, I need to make sure I ordered the right thing because, oh my gosh. I'm gonna jump off a bridge. Okay, let's talk about it. So I just ordered more 4-ounce jars, but as I'm looking at them, I'm like, these look really huge because these are also 8 ounces. So I'm looking at them like, I'm not understanding. So yeah, these are both 8-ounce jars. So that's not good because I really needed 4-ounce, but you know, I'm not pressed about it because these can be used for another product I'm gonna be adding to the website. Yeah, so this right here is the 4-ounce. I'm just gonna have to order more of these, but these right here are the 4-ounce jars. My logo is on it like this. If you guys want a video about stickers and labeling and stuff like that, I can show you guys that too. But this right here is Baby Fresh scent, and it smells so great. It smells literally like a fresh newborn baby, and you just moisturize that baby up, and yeah, when you use this like out of the shower, it just smells so good. Like your body is just gonna thank you. So use that code to get money off. And then I have ocean blue, light blue color, and this just smells really good. And this scent is actually unisex, so if you're a girl and you want to get something for your mans or your dad or your siblings, you can get ocean blue for men. And Baby Fresh is also unisex. It can be used for both. And then this is lavender and vanilla, which is like, it has to be my favorite one, I think. This is what it looks like. It's purple and white swirled. And this is 8 ounce. And it just really feels amazing. And so a little goes a long way with these body butters. So you only have to use a little bit and it'll last you. And then as for the lip glosses, right now I just have these 3. This one is like a dark brown. This one is like a light satiny. Oh my god, I just dropped my laptop. And then this one is like a rose gold color. Yeah, so those are the things that are on the website right now. I will be adding more products like I said before. I have a lot more business videos planned because I know those are like my most watched videos and y'all want to know the tea. So I'm also going to do a video about the legal stuff behind business because I get that question all the time. So stay tuned, stay tuned. So my labels came from Avery. I made my labels with Avery. So what I did first is I designed my own. Everything I design, like anything you see on my page is Instagram, anything you see on my website, anything you see on my labels, like everything I do myself. My website, I made it myself. If you guys want a video on that, I can show you how. All my graphic work, I make by myself. Literally, I do everything myself. So I ordered 3 different types of labels. So I'm going to show you guys right now. So you make your own design. So whether you use PicMonkey, Canva, I don't know, there's lots of other ones. You use that, and Avery, basically you upload it on and you choose which shape, which size, whatever like that, which design you want, and your logo literally goes into it and they print it out for you and they mail it to you. This is the one I made to go on my lip glosses. So like you can see, it's just my logo and it's on a clear, transparent background. The second one I made were these circles with my logo on it, and this is what it ends up looking like. It just says Body Fluff, Pink Minx, Whipped Body Butter, 8 ounce. So I ordered these labels because I was supposed to get these originally, but I accidentally ordered these. So this label would not fit on this, but now that I have the right one, I can use these labels. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, so now this is what my 8 ounce body butters will look like. Yeah, so I want to say I paid about $40 for 3 of these kinds, but I do know a cheaper way to make them, so when I make that video I will show y'all. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video, because we're about to start dropping these business videos. So get y'all books and y'all pens ready, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.